Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see connected Wi-Fi password. So let's get started. So if you want to see your connected Wi-Fi password, then what you can do is from the top of your screen you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down just tap on this Wi-Fi icon. Just tap and hold on that Wi-Fi icon, and after tapping on that, now you have to select the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. So after selecting it, just tap on the gear icon beside that, and after tapping on that, now you should find the option which is QR code. So I have this share button. What I can do is to simply tap on it and then enter my fingerprint or my device password, and after entering it, now I can access my password. So in this way you can also access the Wi-Fi password, or what you can do is just simply scan this QR code. So if you don't have this feature, then what you can do is just simply take a screenshot of this QR code. Then what you can do is share it to your friend. After sharing it, just come back to your home screen and then open up your camera. So after opening up your camera, you can also scan any QR code through your camera. So I'll show you how to scan a QR code through a camera. So here you can see guys, I have successfully scanned a QR code with my camera. So after scanning it, what it did is it will take me to a Wikipedia website. So not only it will take you to a website, or you can access any website QR code, you can also access the password of your Wi-Fi. So you just have to scan your Wi-Fi QR code and then you can access the password through that. So just make sure that you can scan it, and then after doing that you can easily access the Wi-Fi password. So that's it guys, this is how to see connected Wi-Fi password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks.